Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to climb on Gorilla Tag. So at first, to climb, you need to find object like this. And after you find it, all you have to do is hold this and this button on your controller. I will show you how. So at first, just swing your both arms to jump. And as you jump, hold that button I told you. And hold another controller button like this. And just swing your arms up and down like this. As you can see, I'm climbing. So guys, that's how you climb on Gorilla Tag. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.